Mouse Without Borders is a project from Microsoft Garage. It allows you to use one keyboard and one mouse for up to 4 Windows computers. So I've connected it to my desktop, my Surface Book, and my Surface Pro. Right now the mouse is on my desktop, and if you watch, I'm going to move it off to the right side of the screen. Now it is on my Surface Book, and I'm going to continue to move it to the right, and now it is on my Surface Pro. Same mouse, same keyboard. For a free program, that is pretty handy, but it does even more. I can grab a link from one, so I'm going to copy this link, and I'm going to move it over to my other computer. So now it's on my Surface Pro from my Surface Book, copy and paste, and I'm using the keyboard from my desktop. You can also, I'll bring it back over, move files. So here's a PDF that I have on my desktop. I'm going to drag it off to the right and put it on the desktop of my Surface Book. When you do that, it creates a folder called Mouse Without Borders on your desktop and puts the file in there. So then you can use the file however you wish, or you can move it to a different location. Another great feature is you can choose the order of your computers. So if you go into your taskbar and right-click on the Mouse Without Borders icon and go into Settings, you can drag and drop your machines into the order that they are on your desk.